Welcome to the Resolve Practice Workshops. This is an opportunity for you to refresh your knowledge and confidence in the use of the Resolve skills in managing situations of conflict or relationship breakdown. Now, these are the skills that you practice during the 3-day course. And this is an opportunity to look at what you did so well at the time and how you did that. This first reflection time is looking at how we approach parties when we have either witnessed an incident which has left people confused, a sense of misunderstood or misheard, a sense that their relationship is fractured, or you've heard of something where you think, oh, these skills may well apply. Now, as we talked in the course, these skills might be applied informally, just when you're moving about the ward or your various workplaces, or perhaps on a more formal setting like the birth reflection clinic. So, how do we approach the parties? We've either heard secondhand that something's happened or we've seen it ourselves. A good way to do this is to ask for a little time with the person and take an opportunity to have this discussion with them somewhere a little private. They are more likely to attend to what you have on offer if they feel that they're not being watched by a lot of other people. So if you can approach and say that you're aware something's happened, or you've seen it yourself, and in a curious manner, ask if they'd like to talk with you a little about that, because you can see that perhaps it's had some impact on them. If you have a specific role when you're doing this, you can contextualize that too and say, in your role as a practitioner using the Resolve techniques, or if it's in the birth reflection clinic, you'll already have their ear because they've attended on their appointment time. When they're with you now then, you could ask them the questions.